zone as he's going up to lightweight. He's become a UFC interim champion, and he's beat guys like Eddie Alvarez, Justin Gaethje, and Max Holloway. On the other hand, he's very quick. He's a master of managing distance, managing space, and the speed and the ability, the eyes of Conor McGregor is something that we don't pay enough attention to when we watch him fight.
And of course, every time he competes, all eyes are on Conor McGregor, and yet more often than not, he doesn't show up flat on fight night. He rises to the occasion. The Jose Aldo fight certainly is the one that people will historically talk about, but let's see how it goes in this spot for Conor here tonight. And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. McGregor is 1 year his senior. He will have a 2-inch reach advantage. All right, here now the veteran voice of the Octagon, Bruce Buffer. Alignment here.
Ready.
Well, hopefully you can table the Louisiana bias here tonight as Dustin Poirier takes on Conor McGregor. You know Poirier's been chomping at the bit to get this rematch. Ask and you shall receive.
He's finally gotten it.
Whoa! Oh, he might be out. Oh!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Throwing hard in the pocket. Oh, straight right. Oh! Well, he has certainly found the range and staying pretty busy here on the feet.
He's being busy, but it's also the timing and the accuracy that's allowing him to land some of the attacks. What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish his fight.
His leg is hurt here. You can see him limping a little bit. Back to the feet. Oh, and there's another leg kick for good measure. So doing a really good job with that weapon here tonight. And if you're trying to slow your opponent down, mission accomplished.
When you can land that many leg kicks, you start to affect the movement. You start to affect the hands. Everything changes when you're blasting someone over and over and over with leg kicks, and you start to see the damage, not only in the legs, but in the facial expression of his opponent.
Nicely done as he gets the double leg takedown. Well, he's up, but oh, is he hurting. So 31 total strikes have landed for Conor McGregor. Oh, double leg lands. Back to the feet now. Well, you see all the grappling repetitions here. Just beautiful movement, seamless transitions on the ground.
Over and over, these guys are doing things that you see in every jiu-jitsu gym around the country.
All right, it's a good ground and pound by him here, certainly staying busy, and not just busy, but effective.
You can just throw punches to keep the referee off of you. This guy is throwing punches to be effective, to throw damaging strikes. He's doing a fantastic job. Look at how he turns his hip over when he throws that kick.
So an interesting decision there as he decides to stand up and relinquish the dominant position. Another knockdown! Oh, big left. Oh! Straight right hand, no good. Oh, wicked nice leg kick there, DC.
Can't take too many of those. Oh, that was a big takedown. It's just the one that's going to break it.
All right, so a big round for him there, DC. We'll go back and look at some of the highlights. Big knockdown for him. We'll see if he can follow it up.
You can see that he was flowing. Everything was working in accordance to what he wanted it to be. And at the moment that it showed itself, the moment that the opportunity arrived, he jumped on it, got that big knockdown, and now he finds himself ahead in this fight.
All right, take a seat, bud. Deep breath. Breathe into that nose, out to that mouth. All right, here's some water. Listen, your kicks are what?
Round 2, Conor McGregor versus Dustin Poirier.
Oh,
double leg here. Crazy accuracy and efficiency with these ground and pound strikes here. If you're the opponent, You got to intelligently defend or the referee's going to stop it.
You got to defend. But you can see him now starting to gain posture, and the intensity at which he's throwing these ground strikes is starting to improve. It's starting to elevate because he knows that he can get the finish.
And they both stand up. 60 total strikes have now landed from Conor McGregor. And in terms of the accuracy, they're landing at a 58% clip against Dustin Poirier. Oh, nice left hand there by Conor McGregor. Gets up again here, but hurting.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one?
Continues to mix it up, going to the head, mixing in some body shots. And he landed the right hand there. 3 minutes.
Take it down, cut him. Take it down, cut him. Over and over, he secured these takedowns.
All right, well, both fighters pretty comfortable on the ground, DC, but you got to be very careful hanging out here for too long if you're his opponent. So a much different approach from him here in round two. Took him a while to find the range, get in his striking rhythm. He has found it here, and as a result, has really picked up the pace in round two. Takes him down. Nice double leg takedown attempt there, and you got to think that's something that's going to give him confidence moving forward in this fight. Looking for a guillotine.
He's attacking guillotine.
Posturing up now. Nicely done. Outstanding ground and pound here. Somewhat of a lost art in MMA, at least in terms of making sure that every strike counts. Not an issue for him.
He's making every single one of them count. He is not pity patting. He's not touching. Every punch that lands, he wants you to feel it.
Pretty good strike there, but not a ton of meat off the bone. Kind of looks like me at the Boca Raton boxing district.
He's used everything he could early in the fight, and now he's just in survival mode.
Well, he gets up again here, but he looks hurt.
What a punch.
Trying to double up on that jab. Oh, and that is it. You've seen enough, and maybe so have we. Your winner by TKO.
That was a great performance. Way to land those strikes and go and chase down the finish when you get an opportunity.
So a big win for him here tonight, and a big statement made with that TKO. Let's see how the promotion chooses to matchmake him moving forward.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 33 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by TKO, the Notorious